Hello and welcome. My name is Ukile. I have decided to do this JIT kind of stuff very fast. I couldn't get a nice drum with some hi-hats. Just got the bass only. So next time I'll try to make a drum for this so that we can learn JIT. JIT is from Zimbabwe, and it derived from the traditional music there, and the music is a bit fast, maybe 126, 120 to 130 speed, your tempo there. So it's very fast, and it changes very fast. You're changing chords very fast, or you are arpeggiating chords very fast. Now the reason I have done this one is to show you that there are two ways of playing the guitar, two techniques, two major techniques. Okay, let me call it that way, two major techniques. The first technique is called position playing. Position playing. Now position can be in terms of, or with reference to a chord shape, like this one. My chord shape is which is the root. You would normally want to refer to the root. You can refer to other degrees, but the root is the main reference there. So the position is this one, or you can refer to position as being defined by a scale shape, or a pentatonic scale, a major scale, or whatever scale you want to think of. That would be a position. Now this position that I'm playing here now is this C shape position of a G major scale. So now the striking feature about position playing is you are playing within that box. Now if I am to give you the scale in this one, okay, if you get a little closer, again, and the chord which is G here is in a C shape. C, remember C here on the open strings. Now by moving inwards, you're gonna have to change the fingering, so you do that so that you keep the bar. So this index finger is actually barring across all strings from 1 to 6. Okay, so and you have this shape here. Now, the idea of position playing is you're playing on that position. You're not moving out. Now, this is called chord over chord. Chord over chord. Now, chords. When you change chords here, it means if you move from 1 to 4, the 4 is under there, the 5 is under there, and the 6. The only chord that always runs away is the 7th because of the diminished 5th. Now let me show you this one here. This is 1 and this is the 4, still in that position, and this is 5, still in that position. It's just on that spot. Now for playing that, you go, I'm starting from the 4. Now I'm doing the trick that I did in the previous video. I slide to, if you look at, so I'm sliding from the root to the second. Then I fret the root. This is a root triad, which is your 3rd, 5, and 1 for this chord here, G. So you go. This you play. You can strum this triad. I mean, for starters. So 4th, 1, 2, 3. Then you slide. Then you form the triad, the root, which is G. You may want to try to practice this one in pieces. Your stage, your first stage number 1 is this one, your stage. Now you go to the 5th, this one. This slide is very strong. It's called a targeted slide. We'll do some techniques, and you'll find out that we have many types of slides. So this is an ascending slide because it's going that way. Now let's go to the strumming hand. You can actually do some cycles. Now you have to finish the chord. This is the root. Then this is the 3rd. So this is very easy. The reason I'm showing you this one is we shall want to break out of this box. So I'll show you the other boxes that we have. We have 5 boxes that we should know, which repeat themselves. 5 boxes based on 5 chords. We also have 7 boxes, but we will start with the 5 boxes. So you might want to go back and strike the root notes. Now You can add some. This song is very good on mbira or vibraphones. So this one here, you are sliding. I showed you how to that. If you go to here, you actually add a if you look at that, actually this one is the fifth. You slide to the fifth because this is do re mi fa so. So you go, you form this chord, the fourth. So I'm going slowly there so that you can. Okay, so it's still a 1-4-1-5. So when you start that song, you can actually start from it depends where you want to start anyway. Let's start on Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. We're going to expand on this song here so that we can see how we can go backwards and forwards with this, doing what is called position change. So this technique is position playing, and you play in either one chord position or one scale position. And next time I'll show you how to break away from there so that you do what is called position change, either diagonally or horizontally along the fretboard. My name is Vukile. Thank you very much for watching. Meet you in the next video.